My name is Dava. Welcome to Tameron Hyundai. We're talking about the 2020 Elantra. Right here we have the waterfall grill. We have the LED daytime running lights. We have your 15-inch tire with a great gray exterior. Come on inside. We have our black interior cloth. We have here the 7-inch screen, and with this 7-inch screen you have Apple and Android CarPlay. You also will have a backup camera and blind spot assistance. But with the great part about here at doing business with us at Tameron Hyundai, we have a 5-year 60,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. And on top of that, we have a 10-year 100,000 warranty that's powertrain. But what's so great about being here and doing business with us is here at Tameron, you get 200,000 and 20-year powertrain. You can't beat that. I'm Dava Offer here at Tameron Hyundai. Come do business with me. My number is 404-645-3770.